Hi Jane, how are you today?
Hey Helen, I'm doing well.
Glad to hear. I'm doing okay.
You sound a little stressed. Why?
Our dishwasher broke down last night.
Oh no. That's the worst.
Yeah, dishes are piling up everywhere.
Have you looked for a replacement?
Not yet. Don't know where.
Home store has good sales now.
Really? That's good to know.
Big appliance sale this weekend too.
That might help us a lot.
Is your dishwasher totally broken now?
Yes. It won't even start anymore.
That's bad. Did you try fixing?
We called a repair guy yesterday.
What did the repair guy say?
Said it costs more to repair.
Ouch. New ones aren't cheap either.
I know. We just had Mia.
Oh yes, baby Mia. So sweet.
She's adorable but lots of work.
I can only imagine, Helen.
We're saving money wherever we can.
Totally understand. Babies are expensive too.
I hate hand washing all these dishes.
Maybe try getting a used dishwasher.
That might be a good idea.
I know someone selling theirs actually.
Really? Is it still working fine?
Yes, nothing wrong with it.
Then why are they selling it?
Just want a different color now.
What color is the current one?
It's white, a basic model.
White is perfectly fine for me.
She keeps her appliances very clean.
That sounds great. I'm interested already.
I'll ask how much she wants.
Thanks. I'll ask my husband too.
He might prefer something brand new.
Yeah, he's picky with machines.
That's understandable. Appliances are long-term investments.
Exactly. He checks reviews for everything.
That's smart, but sometimes exhausting.
It can be, believe me.
I'll text my friend right now.
Awesome. Let's see what she says.
Okay, message sent. We'll wait now.
Thank you, Jane. You're always helpful.
Of course. Always happy to help.
Mia cried all morning today too.
Oh no, poor little baby Mia.
She's teething. It's been tough lately.
That sounds rough for both sides.
Definitely. No sleep and many dishes.
You need some rest and peace.
Maybe this dishwasher will save me.
I hope so. Fingers crossed, Helen.
How long does dishwashers usually last?
Around 10 years, I think.
That's pretty good if it works.
Yes, especially if it's well maintained.
What kind does your friend have?
I think it's a Whirlpool one.
Whirlpool is a great brand too.
Agreed. Very reliable and easy maintenance.
That sounds just like what I need.
Still waiting for her reply though.
No problem. I'm not in rush.
Are you using paper plates meanwhile?
Sometimes, but it's not practical always.
Yeah, especially with a small baby.
Exactly. So many bottles to clean.
You deserve a break from dishes.
Thanks. I really hope this works.
Let's stay positive and patient, okay?
Agreed. We'll find something soon enough.
Oh. She just texted me back.
What did she say about it?
She wants $150 for the dishwasher.
That's not too bad at all.
It's 2 years old, still good.
That's very reasonable, I think.
Want me to send you pictures?
Yes, please. I'd love to see.
Sending now. One moment, Helen.
Got them. It looks really clean.
She takes good care of stuff.
I believe that. It looks great.
You could save a lot here.
I'll talk to Mark tonight, okay?
Sure. Let me know tomorrow morning.
Will do. Thanks again for everything.
Always, Helen. You're like family.
That means so much, truly, thanks.
Let's hope Mark says yes today.
Me too. He's practical though.
Then he'll understand the good deal.
I'll show him the pictures tonight.
Smart. Visuals always help with decisions.
Yes, he likes seeing actual photos.
Want me to ask about delivery?
That would be helpful. Thank you.
I'll text her now about it.
Even curbside drop-off would be okay.
She said her husband can deliver.
Wow, that's perfect. No truck needed.
He'll deliver this weekend, if okay.
That timing actually works for us.
Yay! Things are falling into place.
It's such a relief, honestly.
So glad I could help, Helen.
I appreciate you more than words.
Let's celebrate once it's all done.
We'll invite you for coffee soon.
Only if no dishes for me.
Deal. You'll get the royal treatment.
Okay. Now I'm really looking forward.
Mark is home now, by the way.
Talk to him before dinner, maybe.
I will. Catch him while relaxed.
Smart move. No stress decision making.
Exactly. Timing is everything with Mark.
Keep me updated after your talk.
We'll message you after dinner tonight.
Perfect. I'll be waiting, fingers crossed.
I showed him the dishwasher photos.
What did he say about it?
He actually liked how clean it looked.
That's great. A good first step.
He asked about the delivery too.
Told him it'll come this weekend?
Yes, and he seemed very happy.
So, is that a yes, Helen?
Yes. We're buying it from her.
That's wonderful news. I'm so happy.
We'll pay her on delivery day.
She's fine with that, no worries.
This worked out better than expected.
See? Things always work out eventually.
You've been such a big help.
It's no problem at all, Helen.
I'll bake you cookies in return.
Oh, now I'm really excited.
Chocolate chip okay with you, Jane?
Yes. My absolute favorite forever.
Cookies and coffee after dishwasher day.
Sounds like a great celebration plan.
Finally, no more mountain of dishes.
Your hands will thank you too.
And so will baby Mia's bottles.
That's true. Cleaner bottles, happy baby.
And a much happier mom too.
You deserve every bit of that.
You're the best neighbor ever, Jane.
You're the best mom and friend.
Let's keep helping each other, always.
That's the best way to live.
I'll set reminder for delivery Saturday.
I'll remind her again Friday night.
Perfect. We'll clean the kitchen tomorrow.
Make space and clear out corners.
Yes, I'll ask Mark for help.
Let him do the heavy lifting.
Absolutely. I'll just supervise everything closely.
That's your job now, project manager.
I'm good at bossing gently, huh?
You're a mom. That's your superpower.
It comes with the baby package.
I love our funny little chats.
Me too. They make my day.
So glad we're doing life together.
Couldn't do it without you, honestly.
Anytime, Helen. You know that, right?
I do. You're my dishwasher angel.
Best title I've ever received, ha.
I'll message you Saturday. Thanks again.
You got it. Talk to you soon.